Welcome to channel Skill Philip. In this video, you'll get to know answers to 3 most common questions about rescheduling your AWS exam. So let's get started. These are the 3 questions that we will be discussing in this video. Firstly, how many times you can reschedule your exam? How early before the exam day can you raise a request to reschedule your exam? Obviously, we can't just raise the request 30 minutes prior to your exam time to reschedule the exam. So there should be certainly a time limit before which you can raise your request. And the third question is, what to do if you reach the maximum count of rescheduling AWS exam? So let's go through the answers of these questions one by one. So how many times can you reschedule your AWS exam? According to the AWS certification FAQs, they say that you can reschedule your exam up to 2 times after scheduling your original exam. Now let's say I have scheduled my exam on 10th of June and I want to reschedule it again or change my exam appointment time. So I can do that only 2 times, after which I won't be allowed to reschedule my exam. But then what if you want to reschedule your exam for the 3rd time? We are going to discuss answer to this question in this video itself, so stay tuned. Now the second most common question is, how early before the exam day can you raise a request to reschedule your exam? So AWS says that you can cancel or reschedule your exam up to 24 hours before your scheduled appointment, and they don't charge any additional fees for that. Say so you have your exam on 10th of June, so you can reschedule or change your exam appointment before 9th of June. You can't even change that on 9th of June. That is, you need to do that 24 hours before your exam time. Okay. Also, if you try to do that within those 24 hours, then they won't accept your request and you might even lose your exam fees and it won't get refunded if you miss your exam appointment. So you need to take care of that. And the third most common question, that is, what to do if you reach the maximum count of rescheduling your AWS exam. So what to do if you want to reschedule it for the 3rd time? Now here AWS says that if you wish to reschedule it for the 3rd time, you must cancel your appointment and schedule a new one, and this rescheduling limit will be applied to the new appointment. Which limit? That you can reschedule the exam for the 2 times. Now I will explain this with the help of a scenario. See, I scheduled my original exam appointment on some date and then I rescheduled it once. Then again I got a need of rescheduling it twice. Now I need to reschedule it for the 3rd time, but that's not allowed. So I will simply cancel my exam and then again schedule a very new fresh appointment. And when this new appointment gets scheduled, again those 2 times rescheduling limit will be applied to this new appointment. So this is how you can schedule your exam for the 3rd time and so on. If you want to know additional details about rescheduling your AWS exam, then simply type AWS certification FAQs in Google and open this link by Amazon.com. Scroll down, you can see some FAQs are given here. Navigate to the Schedule Your Exam tab. And if you scroll down, you can see this. Is there an option to reschedule my exam if I cannot make the scheduled appointment? And this is the place where you will get all the details. Whether you can reschedule it, how many times you can reschedule it, and how much time before you can do that, all those important stuff. And for additional questions as well, you can refer to this AWS certification FAQ page. So hope you like all the information provided in this video. Please hit the like button if you really liked it. Thanks for watching this video.